Hello everyone. Today we're delving into the dynamic world of Facebook Live and video marketing. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to harness the power of live streaming and video content on Facebook. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the magic of Facebook Live for marketing. Live video is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience in real time, building engagement and sharing authentic moments. Let's explore how to utilize Facebook Live effectively for your marketing efforts. Here in the live section, we can start a live broadcast. We can also create a live video event to showcase your audience about programs. That can be very helpful to explain to our audience what we offer. We can also live reply to our audience for questions and answers. Now let's explore the broader landscape of video content on Facebook. Videos are a cornerstone of digital marketing, offering a versatile way to convey messages and capture attention. Let's dive into creating and promoting video content on the platform. Here in the video creation section, we can upload and share engaging video content. As we discussed in our previous video, this is how you can easily create video content using InVideo. To truly make an impact with your videos, optimization is key. Let's explore some essential tips for optimizing your videos on Facebook, ensuring they stand out and resonate with your audience. Here in Video Insights, we can analyze the performance of our videos. I'll show you how to use these insights to optimize future content. Additionally, we'll explore video editing tools to enhance your videos and make them more engaging. And there you have it, the world of Facebook Live and video marketing unlocked. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.